What's going on, y'all? It's your boy Playmaker Wave with the playbook. Hoping you're having a great day, morning, or evening. And y'all read the title, man. How to start trading with $100. Now, if this is your first time on the channel, welcome. I appreciate giving this video a chance. Make sure to hit that bell and sub button because we don't just post weekly videos like this. We also post weekly stock analysis, weekly stock plays, as well as we post weekly trade breakdowns and day trading tips. And most importantly, we live stream and live trade every day on this session 3 a.m. EST on this very same channel. So we're teaching you not only how to make active income, but as well as passive income, meaning how to make money on the front end, as well as how to make money on the back end when it comes to investing and being on these charts. And as you can see, we went absolutely crazy this week. We've been catching crazy moves. We have been undefeated this entire month of February. Yes, ladies and gentlemen, we took 0 losses this entire month of February. We went 3-0 this week. 3-0. Yeah, we went 3-0 this week. Went 2-0 the week before that. Went 4-0 the week prior to that. And then 3-0 to start off the week of February, as you can see here. First link in the description, join the free signal, free Telegram. You can see how we ended January, went 17-3, giving us an 85% win rate. So we've been going absolutely crazy so far this year. And again, if you go to where it says subscribers, you scroll down to photos, there's over 1,500 photos, 3 years worth of receipts. You can see different screenshots of positions, screenshots of signals, as well as most importantly, student results and testimonials. You see we're all the way in April 2024, a whole year ago. You see nothing changed but the date and the year and the time, right? We really do this over here. These are big boy moves. You see what I'm saying? But yeah, I really do this. So y'all want to check out all these other receipts and stuff like that, again, make sure to check out that first link in the description. All that good stuff. You see we're in 2023. Again, nothing changed but the date and the year. So of course, you know, we don't do no clickbait over here. So I'm going to show y'all that this is what I did to take my trading to the next level and make me become a full-time investor, full-time businessman, entrepreneur. Help me quit the 2 jobs I used to work. Because again, those that know, I used to work 2 jobs a day, 6 days out the week, 14, 16-hour days. Man, back to back. Was crazy. The grind was worth it though. But let me show y'all how this is possible, right? So here's one screenshot right here, right? So you see, I sent this to the members and students. I said, for motivation, no over leveraging, just patience and understanding market structure and key price levels. Been holding these trades for 2 days. So this was what I was doing when I was swinging this account and growing this aggressively. So again, you can see the balance, the starting balance right here was $94.90. You see I'm up $101. Equities $195. We can see the math making sense. So what I want y'all to really pay attention to is these lot sizes. Again, these are big boy moves getting caught, and these are small lot sizes relatively by making a bunch of money, right? It's a 0.04 lot size, I'm up $25. A 0.02 on gold, I'm up $45 or $30, right? But when you look at these entries, it's what I want you to really pay attention to. Again, entry 74.10, entry 169.60, 170.37, 2010, 2002. Same balance. I'm just up more. Again, entry, remember this was red, 74.10 was red. Now I'm in profit, added a second position. Remember 169.60, 170.37. Now I'm up $45, 22 on this one, right? When I was just up $2 on this one, I was down 95 cents, right? That 2010 sell, now $51. When it was $45, this one $29, now $35, and then I added a third position. Again, 2010 and 1984. That's a big boy move, right? 170.37, 171.15, big boy move. 169 to 171.15, big boy move. 100 plus pips right there, right? 74.10 to 72.78, 100 plus pips right there. There's like 500 pips combined, all these, not even including gold, just the currency pairs, right? So again, you see I started at 94.90 and I'm up $309. I literally tripled my account in just 2 days, right? So let me show you another one. And again, those were small lot sizes. I was swinging the account. So let me show you another example of this. Right, here's another example of me doing this. Different date, August, right? Different account, right? So I was like still holding GA, just broke back above the middle of the zone, waiting for retest, still holding GJ, still holding gold. And if you look here, we can see I called a NAS trade. We scroll a little bit further. You see I call that GJ trade. We scroll a little bit further. You see I called a GA trade. This was all the same exact date, right? So I was giving them an update, letting them know I'm still holding these positions. You see the lives, the New York price watch list, all that good stuff. But again, this is what I want you to pay attention to. $144 was the screenshot balanced equities at 167. You see I'm up $23.69. Now these are smaller lot sizes to show y'all that again, it doesn't matter. The skill is what's important, not the capital, right? So again, we see GA 0.01, 0.01, 0.01, 0.01, 0.01, 0.01, right? Up $6, 31 cents, $7, $5, $2, $3. Again, entry 9609, 9696, 183.92, 184.19, 184.59, 1904. Right? So we're about to scroll down. This was the 15th, 8:54 p.m. This was the 16th, the following day, 9:19. So literally 12 hours later. Another example of why I stressed to go with the trend. We couldn't ride this wave all week, including last week, if it was going for small bounces or retracements. Again, same initial balance, same positions, same entries, just up more, right? Again, 183.92 to 185.62, big boy moves, 100 plus pips right there, right? 100 plus pips on this move, 100 plus pips on this move, right? So again, these are big boy moves getting made. We scroll down. 12 hours later, 9:06 p.m. from 9:06 a.m. or 9:19 a.m. Doubled in 3 days. Swing trading, smallest lot size possible. Same screenshot position, right? Same counts, just went up more, right? So again, so now that y'all see that this is possible, I'm about to show y'all how I was able to achieve this. And if I was doing this on small accounts, doubling and tripling, imagine what I'm doing on my main accounts. You get what I'm saying? But that's neither here nor there. So now we're about to break down the method to the madness. How was I able to achieve this with just $100 account? And how can you do the exact same thing? So the first thing we got to do is pull out our handy dandy calculator. That's the first thing we got to do. So let's go ahead and pull that out. And the reason why is because it's simple math, right? You have to have a game plan. A lot of times people have a goal, but they don't have a game plan on how to achieve that goal. Well, just copy what I'm doing, right? I'm giving y'all a game right now. So make sure to like the video, save it, and comment down below if this helped you out, right? So the first thing you need to do is you need to go with the flow of price, just like you saw me talking about in here. This is why you want to go with the trend, right? This is why you want to go with the trend. One thing I tell the members and students all the time is we do not control the markets. We only control when we enter a trade, when we exit a trade, and how much we risk per trade. Since we do not, I got tongue tied. Since we do not control the markets, that's why it's so important to not fight the markets and go with the flow of price, right? Again, it's just logic. We're just using simple logic here. If I am in an uptrend, what do I have a higher likelihood of seeing success with? A buy or a sell? Hopefully we can all agree a buy. Just like if I'm in a downtrend, what do I have a higher likelihood of seeing success with? Going for a buy or a sell? Going for a sell, right? But for some reason, due to impatience, FOMO, whatever the case may be, so many of us will break this simple rule. But if we go back to these screenshots, I would not have been able to achieve these gains if I was not going with the flow of price and scaling. Because again, look at this position, 9609, 9696. Buy positions. I entered this a whole 90 pips separate and still made bread. I would not be able to ride 90 pips and then catch a whole nother 50 pips if I wasn't going with the flow of price. 183.92, 185.62. I would not be able to catch 100 plus pips if I wasn't going with the flow of price, on top of adding another position, this means pips away and then adding a third position, right? So you got to go with the flow of price. Then the second thing you need to do is you need to go for high risk reward ratio setups. Now, I always recommend the members to go for 1 to 2 to 1 to 3 minimum risk reward ratio setups. And again, that's not hard to find. This is 1 to 3, 1 to 2, 1 to 2, 1 to 4, 1 to 3, right? So it's very possible to find 1 to 2, 1 to 3 minimum risk reward ratio setups. Now, the reason why you want to go for 1 to 2 to 1 to 3 minimum risk reward ratio setups is because that way you'll be able to cancel out your losses and it'll be worth the risk which the investment is, right? Because, for example, if I'm going to put my hard-earned money on the line, I want to make sure that I'm going to be getting a good return on investment. If I'm risking, no matter whatever I'm risking, I'm guaranteed if it goes to the final TP to catch double or triple what I was risking, I'm gonna go for that, versus I'm going for a trade and the most I can make is what I'm risking. That means if it goes halfway, I'm not even making what I was risking minimum. You see what I'm saying? So again, it's just all simple math. It's just all simple math. Now, a bonus thing I'm gonna throw in there is, before we can get into all this stuff, you gotta understand market structure. You gotta know how to read the charts. You gotta know how to read candlesticks. You gotta know how to mark off and identify these levels, right? This is definitely going to help you achieve these moves. You get what I'm saying? Like even here, another example going with the floor price. This was Tuesday Tokyo session, Wednesday, Thursday, right? This entire week price shot up. And did I go for sales a single time? No, I went for buys. Easiest money ever. Look at this, so easy. It went up all week. It went up all week by simply going with the flow of price. You see what I'm saying? You see what I'm saying? And the last tip I got for y'all is you gotta secure profits, right? It's called unrealized profit, unrealized gain, unrealized return. The money on your screen is not yours until you close the trade and ultimately withdraw and it hits your bank account. All right, y'all, remember that. If y'all enjoyed this video, make sure to like, share, and subscribe. Comment down below any questions, comments, concerns you may have. Make sure to hit that first link in the description, join the free Signal and free Telegram. If you're interested in how to identify these levels, my Signal service, my mentorship program, again, just look how accurate these levels are. Make sure to hit those links in the description, y'all. But before you make a decision, let me tell you a little bit about those details. Advanced Play Signal, we trade Tokyo session exclusively with the members. We trade London session and then New York. Just like the Sunday chart analysis I drop in the free Signal, I drop one every day during New York session called the New York Price Watch List. This is where I go over the trades we took during Tokyo session, London session, and possible sales going into New York. I don't just say we're looking for buys or looking for sells. I explain why we're looking for buys, why we're looking for sells, and then I take it a step further and go over key price points to look for entries and exits on. As you can see here, I call this Signal. You see I'm walking y'all through what's going on with the trades we're in. I'm giving y'all updates to what I talked about in the New York Price Watch List. And then of course you see me showing y'all screenshots to visually show y'all what's going on behind the scenes, or what I see on my end behind the scenes. All right, we also have exclusive live streams that we go live during New York news events at least twice a week. And just like the London session lives, if you missed the live, they're recorded and posted in here so you can watch them when you get a chance. You have access to over 500 videos of daily chart analysis and weekly live streams. And in fact, you have access to even the ones last year in 2022. Then there's also the pinned messages like the account size key, the student and member group chat, and much more. Now, I also have the course, of course. The course doesn't just teach you my trading strategy, it also teaches you how to read the charts, because that's what I teach y'all. You saw I had no indicators, no trend lines. It's simply just market flow and trading and entering and exiting off key price levels. Now, all the stuff that I just went over, you get access to all that stuff in the course channel. So that way, not only do you have the step-by-step playbook of how to look and read any chart at all times, but you have ongoing chart analysis, ongoing education for life. Now, I also have one-on-one sessions. One-on-one sessions also comes with access to the Advanced Play Signal Room and the student member group chat. That way you can earn while you learn, but then you also get 2 sessions a week that are recorded an hour long But you also get 2 sessions a week that are recorded and are an hour long, and they're sent to you the same day. Those are yours to keep for life. So if you're interested in that, hit those links in the description. If y'all want to contact me directly, y'all can DM me on Instagram at playmaker_way. Also make sure to follow me on there, and TikTok _playmakerway_. I post daily on both pages. And I'll see y'all next time I'm live or next time I post a video. Peace. We out.